So you see the device right now over here. You see the size. The size is very small. It can be taken into a hand, can be carried into a pocket. It's a very small device. There's a biometric reader over here, which is currently not reading anything because the guard has not gone to the patrolling point. So now let's say we are creating a patrolling point. In the first line you see welcome to FIPL, which is maybe your company's name. Then it shows date and time in the second line, and the third line it is showing the uncaptured record count, and in the fourth line it is showing A means assigned device. It is already having a root over here. 60% is the battery percentage right now. Then there are two more statuses basically which are there, which is for our own internal use. So now here we go. This particular device is being taken, and we are just making into the city high route and going into the first card. Okay, so the first card is being scanned. The moment the first card is being scanned, the biometric basically is automatically littered. The person puts his finger, the name comes over here, and it is showing the next checkpoint is something which is going to come in the last line, which is the City High complex, and the next checkpoint is parking area. Okay, so it is showing 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means the first checkpoint has already been done, and now the next checkpoint is the parking area in which the guard is supposed to go. Now let's say he goes to the second checkpoint, guard tour, and it shows the card. So the moment this particular card is being shown, it is asking me to put the finger once again. I being the security guy, I put my finger, it gives my name and a number. Along with that, it gives the next checkpoint name, which should be the garden area. So it is City High complex in the first line, and the next checkpoint name is garden area, which is being shown. Now the guard goes to the third checkpoint. The third checkpoint, he shows the card to the third checkpoint, and the guard again puts his finger at this third checkpoint. The moment he shows the third checkpoint, the next checkpoint name is going to come, which is community hall. Next checkpoint name which is going to come as community hall. On the display, if you see the top line, it is showing community hall over there. And now the fourth checkpoint basically is being captured, and again the fingerprint is being put. The next checkpoint is terrace, which is come over here, and the last checkpoint basically is now going to be covered by the security guy. Again the last checkpoint is being taken and it is being given. Checkpoint
63, 60, 61,
63. Yeah, so last checkpoint has come, so I have put my last check. So the next checkpoint name is going to come over here. That is in the City High complex. Basically the next checkpoint name is Backgate, which is 63. So the 63 checkpoint has come. Again I being the security guy, I put my finger and it is going to capture my fingerprint. No, I have not been successfully do it, so I will again scan my card. Yeah, so I have done it successfully. It gives my name and no more checkpoints. So that means he has already come to end of the entire guard tour patrolling. Okay, so the device part is now done, and the device is having all the records. It is showing 109 by 6. That means this guy has done 6 new records, which is showing in the third line of the display of this particular device. Okay, so we take a pause here.